Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo and welcome to my course Instant Forensics Digital Media Acquisition. I'm a cybersecurity consultant with years experience in instant response and computer forensics, and I'll be showing you everything you need to know to acquire digital media following a professional forensics process. You may think that cloning a hard drive is easy, but did you know that just by plugging a hard drive into your computer, you can invalidate a forensics case? Or did you know that using some proper forensic techniques, you can recover even files that were deleted from the disk? In this course, we cover everything we need to know related to digital media acquisition, such as the overall forensic process behind a digital media acquisition, the importance of the chain of custody, the digital media acquisition kit, the forensics documentation needed for a professional forensic acquisition, and, of course, how to image a hard drive following a professional forensic methodology. Also, this course is a very hands-on course. In here, we'll be working on the Globomantics forensic case, in which a malicious employee was selling confidential information in the dark web. In here, you'll be responsible for collecting the evidence in a forensic manner and generating evidence for the case. By the end of this course, you have all the knowledge to perform a digital media acquisition in a professional forensic way. So, I hope you join me on this journey to learn about forensic data acquisition, here at Pluralsight.